I am Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Diabetes has a negative impact on fertility. In women, diabetes can have an effect on egg quality. High blood sugar increases oxidative stress, damaging DNA and mitochondria in eggs. It results in immature or chromosomally abnormal eggs, which lowers fertilization potential and increases miscarriage rate. It can also cause menstrual and ovulatory disorders. Insulin resistance, which is common in type 2 and PCOS related diabetes, can lead to anovulation or lack of ovulation, irregular periods, reduced ovarian reserve over a period of time. It also causes inflammation and hormonal imbalance. Chronic inflammation disturbs the hypothalamic pituitary ovarian axis, affecting hormonal release and egg development. Diabetes also causes endometrial dysfunction. Poor glycemic control affects the endometrial lining, reducing chances of implantation even if fertilization occurs. It is known that diabetes increases miscarriage risk due to poor egg quality, chromosomal issues, and uterine lining changes. This happens. In men, diabetes has an effect on sperm quality by reduction in sperm count and motility. Diabetes leads to mitochondrial dysfunction in sperm cells. Also, decreased ATP is equal to low energy is equal to low motility sperms. It also causes hormonal imbalances because altered insulin levels interfere with the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis, and it leads to low testosterone, reduced libido, and poor spermatogenesis. Diabetic male patients are known to have erectile dysfunction and ejaculatory problems. It's common in men with long-standing diabetes due to nerve damage, neuropathy, and vascular issues. This may also cause retrograde ejaculation, where semen enters into the bladder or there is difficulty in maintaining an erection. Sperm DNA fragmentation also is caused by high glucose levels, which can lead to DNA damage. It's linked to higher rate of failed fertilization and miscarriages or IVF failure. So diabetes definitely has an effect, but by changing your lifestyle, you can impact your fertility and increase your chances of pregnancy. If you wish to understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.